In this video, I'm going to show you how to add samples to Audiotool. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left, click on Project, and then go to Sample Upload, and go to Upload Sample. Now, whenever you do that here, it's going to pop up this probe over here. You want to click on Browse, and to add samples, you simply want to find the sample you want to add. I'm just going to select this one here. I'm going to click on Open, and it's going to open in here. You could go ahead and edit this. For example, there's like silence. I'm going to delete this with the delete button over here. There we go, like this, and then I'm gonna go and click on File, top left, then Upload, and then I'm gonna click on OK and Ignore. Now here you have to give it a name. I'm just going to leave this as it is, and I'm going to tag it Tasty as well. There we go, and then you can do it if either it's one shot or loop, up to you, and then you can make it visible to others or not. So up to you, then click on Upload here whenever you've set those settings for yourself. And there we go, it's gonna start uploading, usually after a few seconds. There we go, this is done. I can click on OK, close probe, there we go. And then in here, if I go to the top right, click on the plus button, I can go into samples, and there I can click on My, and under My, there we go, as you can see, I have my Tasty sample. So I can just drag and drop this one here on the board, and yeah, there we go, it's actually going to pop it in here at the bottom, and I can go and listen to it, I can do whatever with it, and I can start actually using it to actually produce songs or whatever you're trying to achieve. Now, of course, you have all over here as well, and you have like track and stuff like that, so you could go ahead and add these very easily by just going to samples, all, and you can just drag them in like this, and you can get those as well in here, and of course use them if you want to. That's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.